Hello again, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be creating another Valentine's card for you. And I am going to be doing, this is a 8 1/4 by 3 3/4 size card is what I'm doing. And I'm going to use the Poppystamps, the Whittle hearts, and also the Poppystamps Whittle Otter dies, and some Memento inks. So to get started, I'm going to use my card front and using a sponge dauber, and I think I'm going to use the Memento in red, or ladybug first, and I'm just going to create kind of an ombre effect going down my card. Actually, I am going to use some post-it tape here, and I'm going to put this down the one side of the card so I don't go over onto the back. So there we go. So now I can get started with this. So putting the ink onto my dauber, and I'm just going to start going in circles down the front of the card. And then going into the next color, which I'm going to use Rosebud here. And then I'll go into using the Angel Pink, and then I think I'll do some Lulu Lavender at the bottom. And don't let that go upside down like that, so otherwise you'll get something like that. That was a mistake. Oops. Mistakes always happen. There you go. So now I have something that looks like that. Okay, so now using a front panel for my card, which is just slightly smaller than the card size. As you can see, I am going to take the Whittle hearts here. There we are. And using my Gemini Junior, I am going to cut them out along the front of the card base. Okay, I got all my hearts cut out in the front here. As you can see, it will look like that. And then I also went ahead and cut out the Whittle Otters already, 3 of those. And then with the hearts, because this particular project I'm actually not going to need the part that got cut out, I am going to put them back in the cute little envelope that Poppystamps dies come in, so that way I can use them for another project. So now my little otters here, and I'm actually going to, let's see, on this scrap piece of paper here, I'm going to use my airbrush adapter with a Copic marker. I'm going to use, this is E35, and I am just going to color these by airbrushing them. Okay, I usually use my tweezers to hold them, but apparently my tweezers just walked away. They were, oh, here they are. Can't see things right in front of me apparently. So just holding that down, and then I am going to start airbrushing them. I'm going to go darker around the edges where the little textures are at, and lighter into the center. we go. You can see the look of them. So I'm going to have each one of them doing a different thing here in the hearts. Okay, so now I'm just going to use a little bit of adhesive on them, just to adhere that part that I want hidden under there. Now if you have anything hanging over that's extra, just cut that off. Yeah, I'm going to use some double-sided tape. So now just taking a piece of acetate, I'm going to line that right up onto the backing. There we go. And cut it off. Okay, now that the acetate is onto the back, I am now going to add some 3D foam tape all the way around the outside and going around each one of the hearts individually. Now that all of the 3D foam tape is on there, I'm peeling off the backing of them all. And then I have some different sequences around here that I'm going to be adding in. So when I turn this over, this side is going to be on the red and this side is going to be on the purple, as you can see. So I'm probably going to want to add the darker ones. What color do I have in here? I have some purple and some light pink ones. So I'm going to do the darker on this side, going lighter to that side, just like how it is on my card base. Once you have all the sequences in there the way you want them, I'm just going to take the card base and try to line it up as best as you can. Now I'm just going to add a few sequences to the front, and then okay, so after I added all the sequences, I decided it needed a title. So using the Poppystamps, the Doodle Happy Valentine's Day die, I cut that out in just some red cardstock, and using my on point glue, I'm just adding that onto the bottom of my card. Like that. And now my card is completed. You can see all the shakers in there. And cute card. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit the like button as well. See you next time. Bye-bye.